Hi viewers, today's topic is light, shadow and reflection. Chaya and Utsav are very good friends. They study and play together. Chaya has a keen interest in science and Utsav is always curious about learning new things. Once, both of them were studying together in Chaya's room, but Utsav was not being able to concentrate much in studies that day. Suddenly, Utsav notices something on the mirror of the dressing table. What are you looking at in the mirror, Utsav? Chaya, I am thinking that how we are able to see a picture, I mean our image in the mirror, whereas we don't see it in a water glass. Nice question. It is related to the light. Let's go to the courtyard and do some experiment over there. Utsav, can you feel that we can see more clearly outside the house? I agree. The sunlight is much brighter than the light of the room's bulb. Absolutely correct. We are able to see due to light. Light is necessary to see things. When the light reaches a place after getting reflected by some object, then only we can see that object. Chaya, I did not get that. Light reaches to us after getting reflected back, but light rays goes straight through the water and we are able to see inside it too. Also, we can see a little bit through water glass. Wait a minute. Chaya goes inside and brings back a glass full of water and two 1 rupee coins. Utsav, look attentively. Chaya drops a coin in the glass filled with water and lifts the glass with one hand and the other coin in the other hand. Utsav, which coin can you see more clearly? One in the glass or the other one in my palm? The one in your palm. Chaya closes a fist and now how can it be seen now? You have closed your fist. Now can you see the glass of water? What are you talking about? How can I see it when you have covered a glass by your hand? Utsav, something are transparent while something are not transparent. The things through which light can pass through completely are known as transparent. For example, water, clear glass, and many things made from plastics like water bottles. We can see things through these objects. We can see objects, the light can pass through it and reaches us after getting reflected back from it. Let's come to think through which light cannot pass are known as opaque objects. Let either bounces into another directions after hitting the objects or goes back. Chaya, I can understand a little bit now. Please explain a bit further. All right, look at those trees. Can you see the shadows? That's you, but I can see the shadow of the trees. Yes, the meaning of my name is shadow. Shadow of an object. Utsav, if you are attentive, you can see that the shadow of the glass of water is so light and we are almost able to see the shadow of water, whereas the shadow of a ball is so dark. Shadow is formed when an opaque object comes in between the part of a light. Like you can see shadows or the places where freezer coming in the part of the light we can see through such object. Chaya, there are something that I still can't understand. Like normal glass is transparent, but then how we are able to see our image in a mirror glass? Utsav, this question is a bit tough. Oh, surely explain to you with the help from our science book. Chaya brings back our science book, opens it to read. Yes, I had followed certain things. Utsav, there are some objects other than transparent and opaque, which are known as translucent objects. These are objects light can pass partially, like butter paper, and frosted glass, etc. Okay, understood. But I still did not get the answer to my question. I am telling you, you have some patience and stand in front of the mirror. Now, look first, the light from the bulb hits you, then reflected back to the mirror, and then gets reflected back once again on hitting the polished surface behind the mirror and finally reaches our eyes. Hence, we can see ourselves in the way similarly we are able to see every object placed in front of the mirror. When light bounces back after hitting the objects, then the process is known as reflection of light. For understanding this it was necessary for us to know about transparency and opaqueness of objects. Every object reflects light in different magnitudes. Transparent objects reflects the least amount of light and opaque shiny objects reflects the most amounts of light. Translucent object falls in between these two. These objects reflects almost all the light falling upon it so that we could see the image in it. Okay, got it. It means let the light passes through the glass but the reflects from the shiny smooth surface behind it. Look, the back of the mirror is polished by a shiny substances which reflects all the light falling upon it. Chaya, I have understood probably this is the reason that we are able to see our image in the lot of shiny objects like shiny spoons and bowls. Of course, shiny substances reflects more light. Okay? Thank you.